Hello children, how are you all? Children, we all have friends in our life, right? We have friends with animals, we have friends with human beings, but many people have friendship with the nature also. They love the nature. They make friendship with the nature. They talk with the nature, right? This particular poem, Friends, poem number 1, is about how a poet is enjoying the nature, talking with the nature and having a very close friendship with the nature. Let us start. How good to lie a little while and look up through the tree. The poet is sleeping in the garden early in the morning and wonderfully the fresh air is coming. He is lying there down on the grass and watching the nature, at the atmosphere, the beautiful atmosphere around him. Yes, you can see this picture. The poet, how the birds are flying, the sun, how this all things are happening, right? Okay, now the sky is like a kind big smile, bends sweetly over me. Now what? Actually, the poet is telling that as if I am sleeping and the wonderful picture of natural atmosphere, the picture of natural atmosphere, the picture of beautiful nature is like a blanket sweetly lying on me. Okay? The sunrise flickers, moves through the lace of leaves. Now you can see that how the sun is rising, and when that particular sunrise, the rays of the sun is falling on the dry leaves, the leaves are looking like a design. The rays of the sun looks like a design, right? Above my head and kisses me upon the face like mother before bed. The poet is telling that the particular sun rays, it is falling directly on my face, and that particular sun rays are falling so sweetly on my face as if my mother is touching me on my forehead. She is giving me a kiss and waking me up, right? The wind comes stilling, means the wind is also coming very close to me. The breezy cool wind is touching me over the grass. The grass is also moving and I am lying down on the grass, so that the touching of the wind also is feeling so cool that I love this nature. To whisper pretty things, and that breezy buzzing sound of the wind is whispering in my ears. And though I cannot see him pass, I feel his careful wings. The wind, you can't see the wind, but that passing by, the fill of the wind, I can feel as if the wings of the winds are fluttering and filling me a little peace and coolness on my body. Now, so many gentle friends are near. So the poet is telling, we have many friends nearby, but the true friend for me as of now is this nature. Why? Because I am feeling peace, I am feeling cool, I am getting inner peace from this particular wonderful nature early in the morning. I am feeling very fresh, whom one can hardly see. Hardly you can see this wonderful nature. Sometimes you people are not able to go out in the morning also to walk. It is very difficult to come out from the house early in the morning and view this wonderful nature. You can see how the wonderful nature is, right? A child should never feel a fear. You know, sometimes when we are feeling lonely at home, when we are alone at home, we are getting afraid. But we don't know that surrounded us, many things are there. The nature is there, the sun is there, the moon is there, everything is there around us. We are not alone. So, the poet is telling a child should never feel a fear whenever he may be, or wherever he may be, he should never feel fear, because the God, the creation of God is around us. The nature is surrounded by us. So my dear children, I am sure that you all know, understood that how the friends are not only people, but sometimes we have friendship with the nature also. The poet of this particular poem is Abbie Farewell Brown. I hope so you all have understood this poem. Have a nice day.